Lakay. Ako talaga namang darling kita, di ba? Ikaw ang una huli kong darling, di ba? Siyempre, dahil birthday mo, hindi mawawala si Mami. Okay? Gigreet kita ng happy birthday dahil sa ikaw ay magbi-birthday. Diba? Ang cute naman ng birthday boy, ha? At sana, wish ko sa'yo ay diyan ka lang, no? Tulungan yung dapat tulungan ng mga bago-bago lang na mga YouTuber. Tapos ka na sa akin, sa amin, no? Sa iba naman. Okay? Diyan ka lang, stay put ka lang dyan. Saan man ako makarating, saan man makarating ang karir ko dito sa YouTube, hindi ka mawawala sa puso't isipan ko. Nandyan ka lagi. And happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Babu!
Hello, Master Lakay. Happy birthday to you, Master Lakay. Pasensya na. Medyo hindi na tayo nagkikita malimit sa iyong live. Basta ang masasabi ko ngayon, ngayong sa iyong karawan, happy birthday to you, Master Lakay June TV. Aking kapatid, kaibigan, mabuting kaibigan sa social media. I love you always, Master Lakay, and more birthdays to come. More blessings and more good friends, no? I love you always, and I wish for your birthday. Sana tubuan ka na ng hair mo, no? Para mas lalong guwapo. Mas lalong guwapo si Master Lakay. Basta pasalamat ko sa iyo, Master, na naging kaibigan kita at nakilala kita sa social media. Hindi lang parang nakilala lang kita, kundi mas feeling ko totoo na kitang kapatid sa totoong buhay, no? Tinitreasure ko na ikaw ay aking nakilala at pag may mga problems, no, nakakausap kita, Master Lakay. I love you always and be happy sa iyong karawan. Thank you kay Sis Dalagang Isay kasi ni-remind niya ako. Birthday mo pala. May birthday ka pala, Master Lakay. May birthday ka pala. September 4 ang birthday mo. I love you, Master Lakay. Nandito palagi sa puso ko bilang isang mabuting kaibigan at kapatid. More birthdays, more blessings, and be happy always with your family and friends. I love you! Happy birthday, Master Lakay!
Hello! Mega love shoutout sa nag-iisang Master June Lakay. Master, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Alam mo, sa tuwing naalala ko yung mga tampuhan natin dati, yung mga kasiyahan natin dati, natatawa na lang ako. Kasi, basta, natatawa na lang ako lalo na pag naisip ko yung walwalan, yung mga banatan, nang dahil lang sa mga hindi pagkakaintindihan noon. Pero, nang dahil naman doon, nagiging strong din tayo pagdating sa soulmate. Minsan lang din, ang soulmate kasi, nakakatulong. But more on, nakapagbigay ng stress. Lalo na kung mapaligiran tayo ng mga negatibong tao. Kaya, yun lang. Naway pagpalain ka ng may kapal at bigyan ka pa niya ng mahabang buhay para madami ka pang matulungan. At isa na ako doon na natulungan mo din. Sa ngayon kasi, si Cadillac lumaylo muna sa pag-live kasi ang daming copyright. Na-stress na din ako at saka iniwasan ko na ding magpuyat kasi nga alam mo naman na diabetic ako. Yun lang, once again, happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best, Master June Lakay. Bye-bye.
Hello, Master. Good morning, good evening, and good day. Mega love shoutout and kumusta na po, Master? Matagal din po tayong hindi nagkita sa YT or nagkasama. Pero andito pa rin po ako. Support pa rin. Team support pa rin. Team support pa rin po, Master. Kaya, yun nga lang medyo, pero wala tayong naman. Basta, mayroon po akong nabalitaan na magbi-birthday ka raw po. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan. Kaya gumawa ako nito at Master Happy, pinaghirapan ko. Pinaghirapan kong gawin to. Master, mega love shoutout and happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko po maging good health ka at patuloy ang YT at patuloy ang iyong pagiging bukas loob sa ating mga kasamahan sa YT. Master, mega love shoutout po. Medyo nabubulo na ako, hindi na ako masyadong sanay ng kagaya no. Yan, wala po akong ibang masasabi kundi kumusta ka na? Andito tayo, andito pa rin ako, team support pa rin. At alam mo na po yan. At basta ang hiling ko po sa iyo ay good health, mahabang buhay, kalakasan, at po yung gabay ng Panginoon at sa iyong family. Master, Emilis Opo, and happy birthday to you. Emilis Opo, mega love shoutout, good morning, good evening, and good day. Thank you so much, Master Lakay.
Mega love shoutout to everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good noon, and good evening, and good night. Depende po kung saan po tayong parte ng mundo. Ito po si Dalagang Isay na nagmula po sa kaharian ng mga butterflies and bees. Ang aking peg po today is the crown because ako po ngayon ay very fond of watching mga beauty pageants, diba? So, anyway, highway, byway, gusto ko lang pong bumati ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday to you, Master June, aka Master Lakay. I hope that you will have a beautiful day today during your special day. Kasama po ang iyong buong family. I wish you good health. Ingatan po lagi ang ating kalusugan, especially health is wealth. Diba sabi nga ng kasabihan. Thank you so much, Master Lakay, for hosting my live stream. I think last two months ago. Maraming salamat po. And I really appreciate your effort and time. For today, happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come through. May all your wishes be fulfilled together with your loved ones and your family. Happy birthday once again. Have a beautiful day and God bless you and your family. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, good morning and good afternoon or good evening to everyone. Mega love shout out. I'm Skyjan Eran Vlogs from Butterfly and Bees, at babatiin ko ang dati kong master na si Master June or si Kuya Master June Lakay. Thank you so much for everything, and thank you po dahil tinanggap niyo ako before bago ako mag-start, and nabalitaan ko po na magbe-birthday kayo ng September 4. So happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your friends and family, and more birthdays and blessings to come in your life. God bless you and happy birthday.
Po, Master June. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come, and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Master June. Happy birthday and your special day. God bless you.
Hello po, Master June. Good morning. Happy birthday. Enjoy po sa inyong kaarawan and stay healthy always, at mag-iingat po palagi sa iyong trabaho. Again po, happy birthday, Master John. God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Master June. Wishing you all the best. Good health, more birthdays and blessings to come. We always support you from Butterflies and Bees, the Library side. God bless.
Hello po, Kuya Master June. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your special day. God bless and good health.
Happy birthday, Sir Master June. May this special day bring you all the happiness you're giving to others. Cheers to another year of good health and happiness. God bless po.
Hi, Sir June. Happy birthday. Ayan, wish you all the best in life. Good health, more wealth, and happy and contented life po. May God bless you always for whatever decisions po na gagawin niyo sa buhay. And P.S. Thank you for being a good friend of Mama Isay. Hope po na hindi po magbago ang inyong trato kay Mama Isay kasi Mama Isay is our diamond in Butterfly and Bees, not only in our GC but in our real life. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sir June, happy birthday. And God bless po. Bye-bye.
Greetings from Butterfly and Bees para sa iyo, Master Lakay. Happy birthday kasama ng aming generous na founder, si Melissa Nambatag or Dalagang Isay. Happy birthday sa iyo. Good health lang gyud permi. Maura nay gasa sa Ginoo sa ato kabaskog sa panglawas. Happy birthday.
Hello, Master June. Happy birthday po. Wish na ko sa imo is syempre good health and stay foggy. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come. And once again, happy birthday. This is Laura Channel from Dalagang Isay. Happy birthday po!
Hi, Sir June! Today is your special day and today is your birthday. Syempre, kasi special day, so it's your birthday. So I just want to say happy birthday, Sir June, and wishing you always good health and stay healthy. And God bless. Happy birthday again!
Hello po, Master. Magandang araw po sa inyo at maligayang arawan na din po sa inyo. I wish you have a lifetime smile, happiness, and love. Long life and good health po. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come na din po. Maraming salamat po sa iyo na pinutulungan ng mga channel at sa mga supporter po. Once again, happy birthday po from Butterflies and Bees. Thank you po.